Get pictures of that, Amber?
What?
Get pictures of that? It's coming again. It's coming up. Let's start climbing over here in a second. Driving up that tire. You're making a pirouette. Oh, you messed it up, Brent.
Leave the rock in the same place, you can drive over it.
And you're pinned against the wall on your passenger side. Yeah.
Hey Sean, you slid that slab back, so now there's a wider gap.
Yeah. But you just push that rock off.
Yeah.
Messed you up. That way. Change that rock.
Yep.
Right up in the middle of the ground, I guess.
Oh.
You need to just hang out there for a minute.
Yeah, teetering on everybody. Yeah. On a rock like this. I know. Got a good 4 feet up in the air under one tire and about 3 feet up the
That's crazy.
Is this a full backpack outfit kind of thing? Or?
I don't think you want to do that.
I don't either. I know he doesn't.
You can get out and look. It's cool. It's just like you got a giant jack stand right under your dip. Well, now you can back up.
Now you can back up. I don't know, you might. Keep turning this way. You got it. You got it. There you go. Got it. You got it. Nope. This way. It's your meat. Let that little rock over there. There you go. So how much did we mess up that ramp? Yeah, it's okay. It'll be alright.
Hey, we have to figure out a new line.
Yeah. That line's done.
Oh, the technique is still there, though.
Hey, your blinkers on.
He has a blinker on.
Oh, yeah.
It's coming this way.
Your blinker's on.
They just took Sam's club,
No, your blinker.
and we were just going to communicate
turning
once
left.
we're a little farther along.
There you go.
No, you're good. Getting dinner goes. We probably plan on doing something other than your grandma's. Yeah, I would say.
Woo!
Hold it right there. I'm getting this best I can. I'm throwing your wife. Real nice, Butch. Where are you jumping on my bumper when I need it?
Your bumper doesn't have a nice handle, it's too flat.
Grab on one of those brakes. Which way? This way? There you go. Huh? Hang on. It needs to go hard faster. There you go.
Good passenger.
Maybe he's going somewhere new.
Where'd the rock go? Alright. It's all new here, so you're trying to eat driver, back up. You're really gonna have to try to
Yeah, there's a winch point right here.
You're leaking.
Hey, where's Mike leaving?
Hold on, Mike. Hey, stop. Gearbox, maybe. Gearbox, maybe. Power steering or something.
It's probably the oil coming out of the breather from when it was on its end.
No, that's power steering.
Yeah, probably from when it was on its end.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright. It stopped. It jumped out quite a bit.
No.
Right there?
Click, stop.
Hey.
That's not quite it.
No, it didn't do what the other one did.
No.
You got air under your tires, yeah. I don't want to just do a winch from here.
Probably.
Yeah, probably.
Yep.
That'd be a good idea.
Get your rig. Let it out, Mike.
Oh, it's just winching down right there, Brent.
Out.
Out.
Right here.
Table. We're down to one away. Right, boys. Back up.
It does not feel good. good. Feels like it wants to go any second.
You got a little puppy going on?
Huh?
Quicker. Hi. Come here.
One more.
Good. Come here.
Got a little brown in your teeth. Jump up here.
Yeah. Come here. Come here.
You're good, Mike. You're good. Everybody's clear. Keep going. Forward. Hey, Tom.
Damn. I think that's the closest I've had it. No, I'm good. I'm over it now. I got my thrill for the day.
So is the other buggy still coming? Is that yours? It's his buggy than me. I got a little truck. I don't know what I'm going to do.
When?
Yeah.
Front wheels up on it?
You guys get some good shots of that one?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were like this.
Yeah? Alright.
I don't think I make that one either.
I just noticed that giant rock there is attached with a chain to it.
Yeah, it's pretty funny, right? Also, it doesn't do the same thing as the other one. So it doesn't do with that other